guys, and welcome back to today's video. I am here with the kids, with Linville, Jace, and Janelle, and we're going to be doing a little project together. So I think it's important for every once in a while for you to do something fun and creative with your kids, so that way they're not just, you know, moping around the house all day. So last year I bought this chicken wire basket. I don't remember where I got it from, and it's been outside ever since. And I thought, since I'm pulling out the succulents out of the ground that I did in that little tapestry video, I'll link it up above, I need to clear out that area to plant some new plants. And so I thought, why not let the kids stick those plants in this basket that we're going to line with moss. So we're going to see how easy it is to take cuttings and rooted plants and plant them into moss and have them grow. And I think it's something exciting for the kids to do. So who's excited?
Me!
Okay, so we got some long fiber sphagnum moss here.
I can open this one, that one.
Wait, we're going to do one at a time. Maybe we won't have to open all of them. So I went to Home Depot because I actually was short on plants after I pulled them out the ground, and we bought a couple together. And hold on guys, hold on, you don't want to break them. And I picked up this long fiber sphagnum moss from Home Depot. So we are going to line our basket with it. And I made sure while we were at Home Depot, yeah, you can help. I picked up the dining table is lined with this like parchment paper, because obviously this is going to make a huge mess, and at the end we can just roll the paper up and put it away and throw it away. So let's line this bad guy. And you want to make sure that when you're doing things like this, you really pack in the moss, because over time it is going to decompose, and you want to make sure that your arrangement isn't just going to sink, huh?
I can't reach.
You can't reach?
Mm-hmm.
Well, we'll move it in the middle so that everybody can reach it in a minute. Alright, so we've got our basket full of moss, and we made sure to press it down really, really tight. So that way, we don't have it shrink on us. Another thing,
What's in here?
There's nothing in there. It's just, that's called an air plant.
I thought it was a baby.
A baby what?
In here.
No, there's no baby in there. We're going to use mostly cuttings, although you can put rooted plants in here. We're going to do mostly cuttings. And if it rains, I'm going to make sure to bring it inside, because I don't want the moss to get wet. So I am going to work on getting the soil off of all the plants, while the kids, the soil's already off of those guys, so you're just going to plant them in here. You're just going to figure out where they're going to figure out where they want them, and they're just going to stick them in. All right? So let's go. Let's get started. Make sure it looks really pretty. Try to make it look really pretty, okay, guys?
Looking pretty.
It's looking very pretty. So Daddy's going to put this one over here.
This me? Right about in the.
Let's put some in the front. Let's put some in the front.
Okay. I'm gonna do my next one.
Hold on. No, you can't. Hold on. Take it up. Take it up.
Can I do my own one?
We have to keep the moss at the front, right? So Daddy will do something like that, and you can put it up there. Good job.
I'm gonna do my air plant.
Hold on. You want to do an air plant?
I want to do my air plant.
All right. So this is an air plant.
Okay.
This is one of the air plants. Where are you gonna put that one? Where are you gonna put that one? Right there. All right. Put it in.
And I want to do this one,
That's
Daddy.
good. That's good.
Daddy, I want to do this.
So here's a good point. We're gonna plant this one, and it has a whole bunch of roots on it. And don't be afraid. And because we're planting in moss, I can just take and cut these roots off, and it'll make planting this a whole bunch easier. All right, where do you want to put that, Mommy?
You're not gonna put it right here.
Hold on. Let's let Janelle decide where she
You're
wants
not
it.
gonna put it next to
Hold on, Jace. Let's let Janelle decide where she wants it. All right, put it in. That's where you want it?
Yeah.
Good girl.
Now,
All right.
we're almost finished with our video.
So I think this one will look really pretty.
I would do that. I would do that one. I want to do
Can I do one?
that. I want to
Again,
do
I'm
the.
just gonna trim up these roots. Daddy wants to do one. How about we put that right there?
Daddy, can I have that one next to that one?
Can you tell me the color of it?
Green.
This?
Yeah. No.
This?
Yeah.
All right. Now with this plant, this one, this Haworthia, we're not gonna take the dirt off of this one because it's really sensitive and it needs the dirt to grow. All right. So I think we should put this one in the front because it's really, really pretty.
Hey, Daddy.
I'm gonna put it back, Jace. I'm gonna put it back. Don't worry. Come here. You didn't put it down far enough.
Oh.
Daddy's just making the hole for you. See? Teamwork. Do it together. There you go.
Why does it need the dirt?
Because it's sensitive.
What will
It's just like you needing mommy and daddy.
what does sensitive mean?
Meaning, it's delicate. We have to be gentle with it. All right. See now, Jace, we're gonna put your plant right back. I think this one will look really pretty right there.
Yeah.
Why don't you put that one right there, Jace?
Can I do the bigger
Right
one?
there.
Yeah, can I do the bigger one?
Careful, nice and gentle. There you go. Good job.
Can I?
This is called baby's necklace.
Baby's necklace.
Yeah. It's called Crassula baby's necklace.
Can you guys see me clear? Can you guys send it in the comments that you guys can see me clear? The combos below. If you guys can see me clear, give my dad a big thumbs up and subscribe and tell me in the comments. I'll comment in Thank you.
All right. How does the baby's necklace look right here?
Good! But there's no more space.
There's a lot more space.
Right, that's here.
All right. So why don't you put that one in?
Dad, it looks like a big forest, but it has a lot of plants and it looks.
You didn't put it in good, Lily. Why don't you put it in right there where there's that little open spot? Be gentle so you don't break it. Good job. Good job.
That has the pink cup.
You want to put that one right there?
And this
Really gentle. Good girl.
Now this is
So let's show everybody what we've got so far.
These are all the
Ooh,
things.
it's looking pretty.
Give my dad another thumbs up if you think this is pretty. Yeah. And you better not give us a thumbs down or I'll beat your bottom.
Oh. It's kind of mean, Baba. You didn't actually gonna do that.
No.
Here, Jace, where do you want to put this one?
If they don't subscribe, then I'm actually gonna do it.
You gotta be gentle, buddy.
And did you hear what I said?
All right. This is looking pretty full, guys. All right, let's put another one of the air plants in. What do you think?
Yeah. Daddy gotta do this one.
Ooh, what do you think about that?
Okay, guys.
I think that's pretty right there, huh?
Guys, now we're finished.
Hold on, Linville, hold on.
One more plant to do.
I don't know if this is going to fit in there. And this is the finished product. And I think that they did a good job.
Yeah,
I think you guys did a really, really good job.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're so welcome. Can you guys see what the kids created? And literally, I mean, I gave them a little bit of direction, but I didn't force them. I didn't tell them where to put anything. And I think it came out really, really great. And there's the look from the back side. Now again, remember guys, you don't want to water this. A lot of these things are in here as cuttings, and the air plants, I mean, they'll be fine. But I want to give this at least a week or so, possibly 2 weeks for all the cuttings to harden off.
Give us a thumbs up.
Yeah, big thumbs up.
A big thumbs up. Give us 100 likes and take that bell button. Would you like to... Wait, Daddy, you said I can do a video so that I can make my own waffles.
What?
You said I can make a video that I can make my own waffles.
No, I didn't. I don't remember what I was saying. We kind of got off on a tangent there. Started talking about waffles, but okay. So you don't want to water this for at least a week. And again, if it rains or if there's going to be rain on the forecast, I'm going to bring this inside because I don't want this to get wet. So I think everything is going to do well in here. We'll be sure to give you guys updates as the season progresses. I'm going to put this outside in a part sun area or in mostly shade while this arrangement acclimates, and to give time for the air plants to get used to being outside. So what did you guys say? 100 likes?
Yes.
100 likes.
102 likes.
102 likes.
130 likes. 140 likes. 110 likes.
Okay. Well, you heard the man. 100 and whatever likes. All right. So thanks guys for hanging out with us today. Thanks for subscribing, liking, commenting, and sharing. Let us know what you guys think about the arrangement in the comment section. And be sure to follow me on Instagram also. And my Instagram handle is in the description of the video. Remember, in all things, give thanks. And Linville has a song he wants to sing.
Bye everybody. I hope we see you on the next video from Jhuly's Aquatics and Gardening. Make sure you give us a big thumbs up and 110 likes. Amen. Bye.
Good job. Give Linville a hand, guys. Thanks, guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.
Everybody wave bye.
Bye. Boo, boo.
All right, good job, guys. Good job. Now let's clean up.